This is my 1982 Pontiac Trans Am. It was last road legal in 2011. The last time I actually drove it on the road was in 2012 on my wedding day. I parked it originally because it had a blown head gasket, and then leading up to my wedding, I wanted to drive it for the day. So I took the engine, tore it down, rebuilt it, and didn't realize that the crank snout was actually bent. So I drove it for my wedding day, I parked it, and it's been sitting ever since. I'm not sure what happened when I originally painted it, but the paint has been peeling to bare metal. Let's pop the hood and I'll show you what we have inside.
These hood hinges need lubed, that's for sure. There's a lot of crusty rustiness on the underside of this hood. The engine's a 305 with a 4-barrel carburetor. It's got double hump or fuel-y heads, but I'm not sure the valve size. And there's a lot of hickory nuts and other debris in here from whoever made this home for the last 12 years.
Now that we see what's under the hood, let's take a look at the rest of the car and see what we're working with. So we've got American racing wheels. We've got some crusty bits from sitting. The dash ended up getting cracked, and you can see the paint. The paint and clear coat peeling off of it. Inside, you can tell the mice have been living in here. We've got the Meckham Racing badge on the dashboard, as well as on the center console. It's got a Borg-Warner transmission, 4-speed, and it's got a spare rim in the back too. There's a hole in the floorboard right there. Let's pull the key out and see what's in the back. We have our spark plug gap gauge. Ooh, it turned. I wasn't kidding when I said this was driven in our wedding. This sign used to say "just married." You can kind of make it out. And these cans were tied to the back of the car. So we literally drove it for our wedding, parked it, and didn't touch it. You know, life happens and you get busy, and that's what happened to this poor thing.
But that's about to change. In the next video, we're going to dive into all the issues and see if we can get it to fire up. So if you want to see what happens next, make sure to subscribe to be notified. Thanks for watching.